Hey guys, it's Lakeisha and Johnny with What's Next. We're here at the WinStar Casino and Hotel in Oklahoma, and we are staying in a suite. We were blessed with our status or whatever, that they gave us a suite, a corner suite. So I'm going to show you that. Oh, look, my favorite. So I can control the temperature. And when we first walk in, this is like a little living room area. The lighting is a little bit dim in here, so I guess that's just the ambiance, but try to show you as good as I can. So we got a desk over here. This, like I said, is like a living room area. So we've got our full couch, which, let's see, is this a pull-out couch? It is. So you got a pull-out couch, L-shaped couch that's pull-out. And this has its own little table, the desk, and a TV here. Pretty good sized TV, maybe 450-inch or so. And then we go into the actual king room portion that's connected with yet another TV, another pretty good sized TV. Got our dresser. You see a chair over here that's right by these huge windows. Now, it is dark outside, so I apologize, you can't see too well. But literally this whole end, that's one of the good things about being in a corner suite, the whole end is full of windows. So let me turn around and show you the bed, which this is pretty, I guess, common for WinStar's beds. It looks pretty similar. We're in the W Tower in a corner suite at WinStar in Oklahoma, WinStar Casino Resort. And then we'll go down this little hallway. Looks like we have a closet, pretty typical, extra bedding, iron, hangers, all the things you need for when you're traveling out of town. Nice full body mirror here. And then let's see. Oh, wow. This is a huge bathroom. So you got a nice mirror there. Looks like a vanity. Oh, that's a cute little blue chair. We've got our walk-in shower over here. Very nice. And they've got the shampoo, body wash, and everything up here on the wall for you. Oh, wow. Double head shower. This huge rainfall, and then a regular one. Looks like it has a massaging setting. So that's really cool. And then you've got your main area with the two sinks, two lit up mirrors. You can see the lights around the mirrors there. They always give you lots of towels. That's nice. Everything in here is really nice. Oh, I didn't turn the light on in the bathroom for you, but here's the little closet with the toilet separate. So you can really be out here getting ready while someone is in there doing their business.
There's a refrigerator and microwave on the living room side.
Oh, let's go look.
And then a refrigerator on this side by itself.
What? Two refrigerators?
On this side is a refrigerator.
Oh yeah, a little fridge. This is in the bedroom side.
Then back in the living room side, they have
Wait, before we go over there, let me show y'all. Here's even more windows. So again, we're in the corner. They blessed us with the corner suite. And so you can see, if you can just imagine behind all these curtains, it is dark outside, but this is all windows. So that's pretty cool. But let's see what Johnny's talking about. So in the living room, oh, there is another fridge and microwave. Wow, you could actually have a decent amount of people staying in here with you if you wanted to. I mean, because you have the pull out, you have the L-shaped couch, it pulls out. So you've got like the two cushions that pulls out, but then you still have this long part here. And it's separated. There's no door to separate them, but still there's a little bit of division here between the bedroom and the living room, so that's cool. But these beds are always really comfy, so I'm excited when I am ready tonight to lay down that I have this nice comfy bed. But again, this is Lakeisha and Johnny with What's Next, and we are at the WinStar Casino Resort in Oklahoma, right?
Yep.
Okay. Sometimes I forget where we're at. But this is a corner suite in the W Tower. So very, very nice. I'm very pleased and I'm very thankful to WinStar for allowing us to be in here. And we are going to go see if we can have a good time at the casino. They have tons of restaurants. Very big, huge. I think did you say it's the biggest in the U.S.? Biggest casino in North America. So if you haven't been, come check out WinStar Resort and Casino in Oklahoma. This is Lakeisha and Johnny with What's Next, and we'll see you next time.